Welcome everyone back to the channel. This is going to be a quick unboxing of a Lenovo Thinkpad. This is a P1. This is the second generation version. This could also be an unboxing of a Thinkpad X1 Extreme, second generation version. They're the same laptop, just they got different GPUs in them. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. I'm going to go over all the specs and kind of give a review and my first overall impressions as I go along. I actually bought this, it was a quick ship order, and originally I wanted to order an X1 Extreme, but that did not actually happen because they didn't have any in stock and shipping wasn't going to be till June, and I needed a laptop before then, so this is what I got. So this is regular standard HD model. This is your 15-inch your general all-purpose kind of mini workstation laptop. It's got an i7 6-core, I believe it's still 8th generation, maybe 9th generation Intel processor, 16 gigabytes of memory, and a 512 gigabyte SSD in NVMe. So here's the power brick. It's actually fairly small compared to a lot of them out there. It's probably similar to what you get with like the MacBook line. This is 135 watts, so it will be a little bit faster charging than, let's say, like a MacBook Pro or something along that line. But that's it for that part. They do not charge with USB-C. Well, they can, but this is a standard Lenovo charger. And there's a power. Pretty standard with most of your Lenovo 15-inch laptops. That's pretty much the charger you will get with all of them. Alright, so we'll get this out of the way. Pretty well packaged. I actually wasn't expecting it to be in this nice of a box before. Usually Lenovo uses pretty generic boxes, so that's kind of a nice surprise. Nice packaging. Not what I'm used to with their stuff. I mean, their stuff's not well packaged. It's just because I have a lot of presentation for it, because the Thinkpad line is more of a business-oriented laptop. Alright, so this is a small box though. It's not a very big 15-inch laptop. Again, I will get into more of the specs and everything as I go. So here's the laptop. I believe it's a little bit larger than the old 15-inch MacBook Pros, but it's probably about the same equivalent size. It feels a little bit lighter, but again, it's a lot more plastic than what they use. It's a real nice box. I don't know what you would do with it, but it's a pretty nice box. Well made, looks nice. Again, it's a nice touch compared to what they used to do in the past, where you didn't get a whole lot with it. You get a setup guide with it. Again, something you probably don't need. And then you get this kind of little safety and warranty card. I already got an email that my warranty was already set up. There's all kinds of different warranties you can get with this, again, because it's more of a business class laptop. So similar to your other typical laptop unboxings. So that's it. That's the laptop. Kind of give you an idea of the size. It's my hand. Again, this is just your I believe it's 15.6 inches, but your standard 15.6 inches laptop. Kind of give you a quick walk around here, if I can get this to focus. Maybe not. Sorry for the bad lighting. I don't have a proper setup currently, so we're just doing what I can. It's got two USB, a SD card reader, which is nice. Power, 2 USB Type-C, HDMI. This is a proprietary, you need a dongle for that, for an Ethernet port and your headphone jack. So that's it. Let's see what's under here. Again, that is the laptop in a whole. Again, this is the standard HD, this HDR display. Then you got their standard Thinkpad keyboard there. Lenovo has really nice keyboards. It looks like it has a Dolby Atmos speaker system. Hopefully the speakers are a little better. They're not known for having the best speakers out there. Nice trackpad. Again, this is not a glass one like you see on the X1 Carbon, or some of the MacBooks. They have glass ones which feel a little bit nicer. But that's it. It's got a little branding here. They always put these stickers on here. I'm not really sure why. But Lenovo, all their ThinkPads, for some reason, they put whatever. Oh, it is a 9th gen Core i7. And here's the back. Again, nothing special. You can get into these with a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Pretty easy to kind of get into. It feels a little bit more rubbery compared to what it was before. I think they did change a little bit with the color. And that's it, guys. That's what you get. Again, this is the Lenovo P1. This is the second generation version. If you get the one with the 4K display, it will have a carbon fiber top on it. I'll try to get a picture of that up, but this is the standard HDR HD display because I don't need the 4K. I have a nice 4K monitor, so there's no point in having that in a laptop. And that's it, guys. That's everything you get. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I will get a kind of an overall first impression and a more long-term review of this as things go. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you guys next time.